How long will you put up with a dripping faucet or keep paying a plumber to fix it? Learn once and for all how to fix any kind of faucet yourself. We turn off the main water valve. Using a flathead screwdriver, we open the small cap under the faucet handle. Using a 6-sided Allen wrench, we loosen the set screw. We remove the plastic cap and the metal nut. Look at the buildup of mineral deposits on the rubber washers of the faucet cartridge. Following the instructions, we gently remove the cartridge and place it in a dish. We add vinegar. Vinegar is the best descaler. We clean them using a toothbrush. Don't rush, clean all the mineral buildup carefully. This is the most important part of the job. Following the instructions, we reassemble the cartridge. We align the circles with the holes inside the faucet and insert them carefully. We tighten the metal and plastic nuts. If you liked the video so far, please support me with a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you'd like the next video to cover. We place the faucet handle. We tighten the set screw and place the caps. We turn the main water valve back on. Congratulations! You've now learned how to fix any faucet in your home forever.